We found out that Brian Patrick Higgins went to the Massachusetts State Police attempting to have 3 LawTubers arrested.
Frequently refer to me as Kevin from South Boston.
Kevin from South Boston.
You sound like Higgins, bro.
You wrong.
Chief Berkowitz, born through a tragedy. When my sister passed away, we became friends, and he offered up the space because I had also moved there, so it was close. It was a jumping off point. The 21st of March 2025, Detective Lieutenant Tully. I am writing to report a pattern of witness intimidation and harassment by Mr. Richard Kio.
We got some breaking news. Thanks to the FOIA production, we found out that Brian Patrick Higgins went to the Massachusetts State Police attempting to have 3 LawTubers arrested. Let's find out who
I believe resides in Quincy, Massachusetts. Mr. Kio is also known online as Microdots, and based on publicly available information, appears to own and operate RKI Design LLC. Mr. Kio operates the YouTube channel Microdots, which currently has 31 7K subscribers and approximately 40 videos, some of which I have noted below. He also manages the Microdots Facebook page, which has approximately 4 5K likes and 7 6K followers. This page contains a link to dropmicrodots.com, which is listed as the official Microdots store and predominantly sells Karen Reed related products. Additionally, Mr. Kio maintains a second Facebook page under the name Richard Kio. Mr. Kio began targeting me through the creation and dissemination of videos on YouTube. These videos, the majority of which are narrated, focus on footage of myself and other Commonwealth witnesses at the Waterfall Bar and Grill on the 28th of January, 2022, and suggest that I was responsible for or conspired with others regarding the death of John O'Keefe.
Of course, the YouTube channel Higgy Bear is referring to is Microdots, and they've done a beautiful job illustrating what they thought happened on that fateful morning.
John, wake up. Can you hear me? He's hurt really bad. He needs a hospital.
No. He's fine.
She's still waiting.
She's still here.
Why is she still here?
She's waiting for John.
What if she comes to the door?
No one gets in.
Maybe she's calling the police.
The videos have been widely circulated on platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, and X, formerly Twitter, and utilized as repeated content by other YouTubers. I believe these actions are intended to support an alternative narrative aligned with Karen Reed's defense team and to incite and encourage their followers to intimidate and harass me and other Commonwealth witnesses. Over the past 21 months, I have lived in a constant state of fear for my personal safety and the safety of those close to me. I have had to remain hypervigilant in public, and my daily life has been significantly disrupted. I have been photographed while on duty at both Nashville International Airport and Boston Logan International Airport, which has caused employment-related issues. I have been followed in stores, photographed while shopping and dining, and had multiple unknown individuals drive by my residence to openly record and photograph my home and vehicles, both personally owned and government issued.
And I've been to Higgins' house before. It's a tourist attraction. Now, he lives on a little cul-de-sac kind of thing, right? It's like a street. It's a dead end with a little cul-de-sac at the end of it. And his house is on the left when you drive by. And then the only way out is you got to drive by his house again, because you got to go to the cul-de-sac, turn around, and then his house will be on the right. We drive by, and I'm not driving. I'm in the passenger seat. We drive by the house, and I'm not even prepared for. I assume he's like hiding inside or some shit like that. No, Higgy's on the lawn. I'm like, holy fuck, there he is. He's lost some weight. He's no longer an morbidly obese decorated dude.
Turtle Boy's describing a face-to-face interaction with Higgy Bear over the 4th of July weekend.
Like kind of like a, not like a healthy workout kind of lose weight, like a stress lose weight kind of thing. You know what I mean? Like the feds are coming kind of losing weight.
Turtle Boy's 100% right. The best way to lose weight is to either get broken up with or to have the feds come after you.
On his lawn, and I'm in the passenger seat, and then we drive by, we go down the end of the street, turn around.
That's Turtle Boy's current girlfriend, Meredith, in the Mercedes.
I didn't have my camera out or anything, because I'm like, I didn't expect him to be there. And then so we drive by, and I got my camera out this time, but I got it on photo. I choked. I fucking choked. I can be honest, I choked. He comes down the driveway, and he starts yelling at us, "Get the fuck out of here.
The fuck out of here."
What? And then he starts running after the fucking car. Like Higgins is running after us.
Get the fuck out of here.
So it's like a rhino is charging you. Like, it was crazy. He's got his camera out, so he's filming it. Whose car is this? Driving and threatening violence on state witnesses.
Lest anyone believe that Higgy Bear is actually scared, what they did find out is if you inform the Massachusetts State Police that you are in fear for your life and that you're an actual witness in an actual trial, they will go and arrest anyone that's asking questions or posting cool videos with regard to the murder of John O'Keefe. And that's exactly what's happening here. And you see it a lot with many people who want to be a public figure, aka LawTubers. And the second they see any criticism, they're blocking people, they're making up stories, they get paranoid. Most people are not cut out to be public figures. And of course, Brian Patrick Higgins didn't want to be one, but unfortunately he is because of what he did to John O'Keefe on that fateful morning.
I have received threatening mail as recently as this week. Mr. Kio has openly admitted that Karen Reed is his client and collaborated with attorney Alan Jackson in his pursuit to free Karen Reed. In a social media post, he has stated that he worked alongside attorney Jackson in the war room, transforming ideas into visually compelling graphics, many of which we didn't have the opportunity to use. On June 23rd, Mr. Kio posted a photograph of himself with Karen Reed on Facebook, my close friend and client, the very beautiful, brilliant, and innocent Karen Reed. Here's to better days ahead. Free Karen Reed. I believe this photograph was taken during the first trial. On June 25th, Mr. Kio again posted another photograph to Facebook, this time with himself and attorney Alan Jackson, and wrote, "One of the pinnacles of my career has been collaborating with Alan Jackson in his pursuit to free Karen Reed. We spent countless hours in the war room together, meticulously discussing the case and transforming his ideas into visually compelling graphics, many of which we didn't have the opportunity to use. His brilliance and charisma extend far beyond the courtroom and are just as impressive as his performances within it. Thanks, AJ. I look forward to future collaborations with Worksman Jackson and Quinn LLP. Hashtag Karen Reed case, hashtag free Karen Reed, hashtag justice for John O'Keefe." I believe this photograph was taken during the first trial. Mr. Kio, on his Microdot's Facebook page under the Life Events section in 2023, posted, "Started new job at Worksman, Jackson and Quinn, LLP." Following the first trial, Mr. Kio has created and published multiple videos on YouTube in which he advances the defense's third-party culprit theory. Mr. Kio's conduct involves intentional efforts to instill fear in me as a Commonwealth witness and encourage others to harass and intimidate me and other Commonwealth witnesses. It also seems that Mr. Kio is attempting to taint a future jury pool, which does not seem right if he is working for the defense team. As the second trial approaches, I fear that the intimidation and harassment directed toward me and other witnesses will escalate. On or about the 3rd of March, 2025, YouTube creators Randy Reimer, also known as JFK, and James Amaral Jr., also known as James Jackson, hosted a live stream titled hashtag Karen Reed 28 Days Till Trial, All Eyes on the Prize, with 7K views. The promotional material for this broadcast, which remains publicly accessible, prominently features a photograph of me taken during my response to the 2013 Boston Marathon bombing, where I am wearing an ATF raid jacket. Alarmingly, a firearm optic has been superimposed over my head, accompanied by the caption, "You're in the defense scope now. KFSB." Throughout their broadcasts, Reimer and Amaral Jr. frequently refer to me as Kevin from South Boston.
Hey, man, what's up, guys? Kevin from South Boston.
What's up, Kevin from Southie? What's happening?
Listen, I appreciate the things that you two do, you and James, right? But let me ask you something. Those two dudes that you're accusing, right? They're decorated dudes. What happens? Like, can you look at this from both sides? And this comes out that she actually did it? Are you ready to, like, put it out there that you were wrong?
You sound like Higgins, bro.
You wrong.
Is this Higgins?
Is this Higgins?
You wrong.
You're Higgins.
Kevin Elbit.
Kevin from South Boston.
Kevin Elbit.
Kevin from South Boston.
Kevin. Prior to this specific live stream, they have repeatedly utilized content created and disseminated by Kio and in connection with myself and other Commonwealth witnesses. As a result of this conduct in my role as a witness in Commonwealth v. Karen Reed, I live in fear for my safety daily. I have been an ATF agent since 2009 and have conducted numerous state and federal investigations, including undercover operations resulting in convictions. Many of these defendants defendants are now aware of my personal identifying information, including my residence and vehicles, compounding my concern for my safety. Thank you for your time and attention to this serious issue. I remain available to provide further information or evidence to support this matter. Respectfully, Brian Patrick Higgins, aka Higgy Bear.
There you have it, Brian Patrick Higgins sending Brian Tully his crybaby complaint along with 20 separate pictures supporting his allegations that he's being harassed and is in fear for his life. Unfortunately for the big boy, he has nobody to blame but himself. We all know now that he was in love with Karen Reed, and we all know now that he was angered the way John was treating him and the way Karen was reacting to him on that fateful night at the waterfall, and we have it on video. So no matter who Brian Patrick Higgins goes crying to, we will never, ever stop producing these videos until the real killer,
Brian Higgins,
is brought to justice.
Chief Berkowitz, born through a tragedy. When my sister passed away, we became friends, and he offered up the space because I had also moved there, so it was close. It was a jumping off point.
Loophole lawyer, we riding for justice. Let's go. We will not stop dropping these facts every week. To Brian Higgins locked up. Justice for John O'Keefe. For John O'Keefe. Simple crime, small spot, short time, few names. One of these 10 did it.
We screaming the claim.
This case was easy, no smoke and mirrors. Small area, quick timeline, limited suspects, no errors. 10 people involved, that's the whole damn crew. Remove the kids in the caves, now we down a few. 3 left standing, Brian, Albert, Higgy Bear, Chloe the dog just chilling right there. I didn't do it, I'm a good girl, fact. Chloe innocent, she get a clean pass. We will not stop dropping these facts every week. To Brian Higgins locked up. Justice for John O'Keefe. With John O'Keefe. Simple crime, small spot, short time, few names. One of these 10 did it.
We screaming the claim.
Yeah, now we down to 2 Bryans. Only one the villain means motive, opportunity. That's Higgy chillin', cuddly on the surface, but violent when it's real.
I kiss gay
Higgy
Jeff.
better one who sealed the deal. Brian Albert, nah, Higgy, yeah, he the guy. We got the facts lined up, watch the truth fly high. No jumping conclusions, we stay patient and cool. Once the evidence hit, damn, it was simple, fool. I didn't do it, I'm a good dog, I didn't do it. Chloe clear,
So I said,
now
are you
the
coming
picture
here?
crystal
Followed by
clear.
3 question marks.
Justice for John O'Keefe. We right here. Stop dropping these facts every week. To Brian Higgins locked up. Justice for John O'Keefe. He better kill a case closed. Back 2 Brian's, 1 dog cleared out the way. Justice for John.
We screaming the day.
Join Samantha Benino every Monday. Nuno with Loophole lawyer, don't play it. We riding for justice, never backing down. Higgy Bear exposed, whole world watching now. Justice for John O'Keefe.
We will not stop. We will not stop.